Christmas outfits, what to wear to all the parties. They range from casual to uber dressy. I've got you covered today. I'm gonna show you a bunch of outfits and everywhere that you can buy them right now. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm excited to see you guys. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into this video. Before I do, just remember, if you guys like these videos, to hit that red subscribe button down below, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday, and we will hang out. Moving straight along, it's time for the holidays. There's a million invites that are coming in. What to wear. I already have a bunch that have come into me. I have everything from office Christmas parties right up to a Christmas gala that is uber fancy. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I like and some ideas for you to put together, and I will leave links to them down below so they can get shipped right to your door. You don't even have to leave your house. Look number one, the first thing that I actually have to go to is an office Christmas party. So it's a lot more casual. This is an outfit that I really like. First things first, a silk blouse. It's an office Christmas party. It's not too dressy. I don't want to show too much skin. I love this blouse. It's from Rails. I got it at Man Woman Home. I'll leave a link to that below. It is silk, it's dressy, I'm covered, I'm casual, but I'm still dressed up. So I really like this blouse. I've paired it with a pair of Mavi jeans. What I liked about these jeans is I loved the strip down the side. That tuxedo stripe is really trendy right now. They are jeans, but they're dressed up. So now I feel like I'm not just wearing denim, I've dressed up my denim with like a tuxedo silver stripe. I really like them. I feel like they're edgy and they're a little bit dressy at the same time. I've paired it with a high pair of heels because now I've elevated that basic look even a little bit more. There's something good about wearing your high heels with a dressy pair of jeans and a silk blouse. It is a very classic outfit that you can actually wear to the office and then to the party after. So for look number one, I've kept it classy, basic, and elevated, all at the same time. For look number two, we've stepped it up a little. So it's no longer a casual office work holiday party. You're going somewhere that is a little more dressy, but it doesn't actually require a dress yet, or maybe you're just not a dress person. I found these pants, they're called up pants. I'm absolutely in love. I'm gonna show you, they actually have tummy control on them. They are stretchy. So you pull them on, there's no zipper, nothing along the waist. I love them. So these ones are sort of like, have a glittery polka dot on them, which I felt like gave them like a really great holiday feel. And the polka dots aren't actually round, which I thought was good because I'm actually not a polka dot person. They're like little mini rectangles. I really like that. I wanna talk a little bit about one of the features of wearing pants like this to a Christmas party or even your Christmas dinner. I know for myself, even if it's at my family's house, I always dress up my kids to go for Christmas dinner. Wearing pants with no waistband that have tummy control that are stretchy means you can eat as much as you want, drink as much as you want, and still walk out without having to undo your top button. Very good choice for Christmas outfit wear. So I found these pants, up pants. They are dressy, they look great, classy. I've paired them with a neutral silk tank top and a pair of nude heels. This just dresses you up a little bit, and you can always add a blazer to your outfit to really finish the look. So again, a pair of dress pants, a silk blouse, and a blazer. So stepping it up a notch from the first two more casual looks, I've slipped into a little black dress. You cannot go wrong in the Christmas season with a little black dress. This one is from my girlfriend Roxy Earle's collection with Le Chateau. I've done a whole video on her pieces. She now has her holiday collection out. I love this dress. I'll tell you the features that I love. One, it's often cold in some of these parties. This is a higher necked dress with long sleeves. I never do long sleeves, and I love this dress. They're ruched. They're 3/4 length sleeves. I've got ruching in the middle. I actually have a larger chest, but the way that it is ruched and cut, I feel completely comfortable and I love it. I have a very difficult time wearing turtlenecks as a turtleneck, and this is the most beautiful piece. Like, I feel comfortable. I don't feel like I have a large chest. The details in where it is ruched is very well done. It's so cute. I can show some leg, but I'm all covered up top and I'm warm and I'm so comfortable. This material is so soft. I love this dress. I think it can go anywhere. It can go from office to party. You could also pull on long, tall boots and throw on a long coat and wear it much more casually. The little black dress. I love this one. I will link to a few others that you can check out for your Christmas parties down below. For the last look, I obviously wanted to step it up and show you one piece that I absolutely fell in love with. Again, this is from my girlfriend Roxy Earle's collection with Le Chateau. Okay, so I was scrolling through dresses online looking for like the most fabulous dresses. Then I went through Roxy's collection, I saw this dress and I'm like, this is amazing, I need to see this. So I had them send it to me, I put it on and it fits like a glove. But I have seen this dress on so many different body types and it looks so good. I'm gonna tell you guys, it is absolutely really comfortable. The color is a bit of a champagne color. It's not necessarily silver, it's not necessarily gold. It is so soft feeling, it's lined. I believe it's like cut low, but not too low. Stunning dress. So if you guys have a Christmas party to go to that is really dressy, I do. I actually have a Christmas fundraiser to go to. This is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing this year. I love it. So remember, if you wanna dress yourself up with something elegant, sequins is very trendy this Christmas season. It's a really nice way to do it. And what speaks something more festive than a little bit of sequins? A gown is always a really nice look. It's classy, it covers your legs. This one has a bit of a slit, but with the long arms, everything is in balance and in proportion. I will link this one and a few others below that I think are similar that would look good in a bunch of different body types. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this segment on Christmas outfit ideas. I love so many pieces in this segment, like love them. And so get out there, try them, order them. If you don't like them, send them back, but don't be afraid to have fun and definitely put on some stretchy, glitzy glam for your holiday parties. If you guys like this video, remember to hit that red subscribe button and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday. Speaking of next Friday, I am showing my holiday gift guide for both him and her next week. I will see you on the next segment. When I start talking a lot, I'm like, I lose my breath. Okay.